Hi, I'm Deepak Singh. Today I'm going to discuss how to secure Cisco devices using different passwords. In Cisco device, we can use password to secure the privileged mode, console, and the VTY mode. First of all, I'm going to show you how to configure password on the privileged mode. I'm using Cisco 2800 series router. To configure password on the privileged mode, we'll go to configuration, terminal mode, and here we have one command, enable password. This command is used to configure password on the privileged mode. Enable password, and then we have to type our password. So this time I'm using ICND as my password. So this password will be configured in the privileged mode, means when I will access my privileged mode, it will ask for the password and I have to provide this password. I have to provide ICND as a password. Let's see. Do exit to verify if the password is configured. Look, when we are going to enter into privileged mode, it is asking for a password, and the password is ICND. When you will type the password, it will not show the password here, but you have to understand your password is already configured. Okay, so this is how to protect privileged mode. Let's see what is the problem in this password. Actually, this password can be checked by using show running configuration command. If you will use this command, you will see the password in clear text form, and this is the problem, because if anybody got access to the privileged mode, he can check the password using this command. So if we want to encrypt this password, although we have one command, we have this password encryption command, we can start password encryption service and we can encrypt this password. Instead of using this service, we have one more command to configure password on our privileged mode. That command is used to configure encrypted password on the privileged mode. So the command is enable secret. Enable secret. This is the command to configure encrypted password on the privileged mode. After using this command, we have to type our password, and this time I'm using Cisco as a password. Okay, so now we have configured two passwords on the privileged mode. Now we have configured two passwords on the privileged mode. Our first password is ICND, and another password we have configured here, that is Cisco. So if we have configured these two passwords, then which one is going to prefer? The Cisco devices always prefer security, so it will prefer the encrypted password. Let's see. Do exit and exit from your console. We are here in user mode. Now when we'll use enable command to get into privileged mode, it will ask for a password. Now we have already configured two passwords, as I told you. Now the first password is plain text password and the another one is encrypted. So which one is going to be preferred here? If I'm typing ICND, look, it is not accepting, and I have only 3 attempts. I can use any password 3 times. If the password is not correct, it will show me this error, and I will be back into user mode. So here I was typing the plain text password. It is not accepting plain text password because we have configured encrypted password also. So this time I have to use encrypted password, and that was Cisco. If I will use Cisco password, I will be able to enter into privileged mode. Okay, let's check the password. If I'm able to see that password, check. Look at this. This is an encrypted value. Means we cannot understand which password I had given to our privileged mode. Okay, so this is how to secure the privileged mode. In next video, I'll show you how to configure password on console and how to encrypt these plain text passwords. Okay, thank you for watching.